does volcano lava taste like?
Hot molten lava has a unique taste.
Okay.
It is said to taste like extremely burnt marshmallows. It also described by some as spicy.
Oh.
However, I would like to warn you, if you consume lava, you will die.
Oh, okay, got it. Got that one.
Speaking of things that are ridiculously hot, how are you today, sweet cake?
So I was waxing my roommate's asshole like a good roommate does.
Will you wax my asshole?
Yes, I will, Andrew.
Y'all record it. He wax it, I'll record it for you, okay?
Will you wax my asshole for real, though?
Yes, if you wax mine.
Deal.
Okay, mine's hairy as fuck.
Oh my god.
Yo, a massage gun. What are you doing with the massage gun? Hey, what you do?
Yeah, just about to fuck this blunt up. Word. Just kidding.
Cold water? Huh.
Grandma.
Holden? Where'd you get that?
It's yours.
Hey, I haven't done anything wrong.
You're always doing this to me, though. What are you doing? What are you Are you kidding me?
Holden?
What?
Drop it. I said drop it.
Okay. Just don't shoot.
Now kick it to me.
Why? Hey, fine.
All right. Did you learn anything from this?
That you're always prepared?
That's right.
If you laugh, you going to hell, part 1.
Today is 9-year-old Tommy Douglas. Tommy has lived most of his life in the hospital after being born with a potato for a heart and will undergo a heart transplant surgery next weekend. He's about as big of a traffic fan as they come, so in partnership with the Grant-A-Wish Foundation, both teams have agreed to come together and have Tommy run the first play of the game. And he got the handoff, and there he goes. Made a little cutback move, and it looks like he's going to go all the way. Look at him go. Wow. This is really one of those heartwarming moments in sports where you just... Oh! Oh, my God. That was just... That is not good.
There's a cop.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, he...
I'm 10-8.
Can I say a bad word? Can I say a bad word? Yeah. You motherfucking bitch!
If you're not at work today or you're working from home, you may be wondering, what day is it? Todd has the answer for us.
It's Monday.
On your ear, mate. Look at that.
I don't know. What is that?
Boom!
Oh, hey! Now, if you really want to impress me, do it with a chicken nugget. Then I'm... Oh, my God! It's a chicken nugget!
No.
Disgusting, man. Disgusting.
Turn around. Now and then I get a little bit lonely and you're never coming round. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit tired of listening to the sound of my to you.
Okay, I know there's something good here. There has to be something good because there's so many likes. Oh, cute little what
What you got on you? Hands on the wall, don't move. Quit moving, you're going to the pound. Where's the drugs? Where's the drugs? Don't you hit me. That's aggravated battery to police officer. Hands on the wall. Hands on... Son of a... Taser! Taser!
We literally went to the store for one thing, and my sister, I got a turtle. I'm gonna name her Taquito.
Okay. Did anyone know that the Scrub Daddy sponge has eyes and a mouth, and the mouth is to clean the spoons or the spatulas? Look, you put it right in, and you fold down and look.
Hey, yo, come get out my sister, bro. She be doing whatever y'all need. Eyebrows. Oh! Waxing.
God damn.
What the fuck? You done took my whole...
Okay, so my mom saw this idea that to not lose your glasses, you should get one of these things to put on your head. I'm like, okay, yeah, Mom. I'm gonna go out in public looking like this, with this on my head. Like...
Now, ma'am, can I interest you in a glass of sweet tea? Or perhaps a dick Coke?
So what's in this?
Mountain Dew.
Where's the Mountain Dew go?
Into the cat.
My mom only wants just a little bitty tiny of sugar in her tea. That's good sugar for her. My goodness, there's so much sugar here. My goodness, what did she put here?
When you open a snap from your best friend.
Class, so be sure to open a laptop.
Fuck me!
What was that?
Kiss the thing beside you right now? How in trouble would you be right?
Kiss me, fat boy.
This is us after one shot.
This is us after 3 shots and 1 beer.
This is us after 5 shots and 2 beers. This is us after 7 shots and 3 beers.
This is us after 8 shots, 5 beers, and a 5th of Hennessy.
This is us after we don't know how many. And this is me after I don't know what the fuck happened.
Wait, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. It's not washing off.
It's coming off slowly.
It's not washing.
It's starting to
It's not washing off.
My sister pranked me years ago while I was sleeping. So here's my revenge.
Hold it as much as I can.
What is this pulling out? It just feels good.
Yep, and it brings down the skin's temperature. See how it kind of got stuck on the beard?
When you're searching for a suspect and you go to your last resort. Can I get a oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
I wish Beetlejuice was my father.
Don't say it 3 times.
Beetlejuice. Juice Beetle. Beetle of juice. The juiciest beetle.
Mom, what'd you get?
Penis bone earrings.
Penis bone earrings?
Penis bone earrings. Be jealous.
Oh.
John, what did
Grandpa, what are you doing?
olive oil and lemon juice. It keeps you from getting Alzheimer's.
What's your problem?
Hey, Mom, I didn't know you had hoes.
What?
Hoes, you know, they're extremely delicious.
When you order a plushie off of Amazon. Williams, what happened?
I locked my locker and my key was inside. Ow, my tit! I told you!
Why is everything in my life gay somehow? There has to be a way to make everything gay. My whole car's covered in rainbow fucking soap.
No, don't. Jordan! She's making me do...
Grandma says they're thinking about you.
Fuck